Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add tax information to your products on your Gumroad store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you've not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started. The first thing we want to do is to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, you're going to be greeted by this home page where on the left side of the screen we can get started accessing all the product sections such as home, products, collaborators, and so on that are going to go ahead and enable you to manage your store. So let's go and take a look at how to manage sales tax. Here we have a help center article. To open up the help center, you're going to go ahead and go right here to the left side of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, open up the help center. That's going to look like this, and then use the search bar to search for fees or taxes. So as you can see, there is this article right here on sales tax. So basically guys, Gumroad now acts as the merchant of all record for sales. This means we automatically handle all sales and tax collection. So basically guys, you do not have to set up anything. Once you go ahead and get started selling a product, Gumroad is going to automatically calculate fees for the purchases for those products when somebody purchases it from a country where fees are applicable, such as the EU and UK VAT that you have for tax, you have the Singaporean GST, and so on. All of that is going to be automatically go ahead and get calculated, so you do not have to worry about anything, so keep that in mind. But if you need more help, you can open up the help center right here and take a look at it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.